I have this very, very large package from one of my favorite friends over at Bloom. It is one of my favorite things to add to my planning every single year. My wall calendar, yay! I'm so excited about this one. They gave me some options to pick and I chose this one. This one's called Seasonal Flowers. It does come with stickers, as you can see in the package. Also has this card that talks all about Bloom and all of their philanthropy. I love Bloom, always have been, always will. They are always so supportive of not just online community, they are supportive of their community in Delaware as well. So the cool part about these wall calendars is I have it already set up over there, and I'll show you when I take out my old one and put in this brand new one. You can see some of the stickers that comes with it. It's one sheet. It does have some obviously meetings, errands canceled, days off, all these icons here. And then a few of their fun little decorative stickers. And I've always enjoyed Bloom stickers, and this sheet is a perfect addition for the wall calendar. I'm gonna go ahead and flip through all of the pages so you can see all of the different seasonal florals, because every single month changes with those florals. There's also one little hidden thing behind here when I know what it is, and I really use this every single year. So these seasonal florals, this is January, and some of the overview things I love about these wall calendars is it does have this note section down here, and then it has the month next in the corner, and it does have a number in the corner, so if you're confused, like sometimes I forget what number 6 and number 7th month is, this will help certainly. So this is January. And here's February. February has beautiful pink and purple blooms at the top. Just letting you know that all of them are perforated at the top, so they're really easy to pull. There are calendar holidays on each single one. So those are, oh, this one's pretty too. This one's March, does have some greens that we love to see in March, but also has some purples and some oranges. This florals is more very spring-like with the lavender, lilacs. Next one is May. May has these gorgeous blooms as well. June with the yellows and oranges. July's with more pinks and oranges. August is a fun one as well. Here's September. Summer is waning and the colors are as well. Now we're full into fall, October. You could go this multiple different ways with these beautiful purples and mauve colors. November is gorgeous. I love those muted colors. And December's, of course, traditional colors, as I would expect from Bloom. And the cool part about it is it does have these corner stays in the corner. They're plastic corner stays with this paper backing here, cardboard backing, and so you can put all of the months you aren't using in the corner stays, and so it'll you can use it as a desk mat, you can put it as a wall calendar, which is how I use it. It does have 2 holes right here, and the fun part about the Bloom planners is this extra full sheet vision board, this 2026 vision board. What you could do is map out some of those goals you have for 2026, and it's a fun little added bonus with the Bloom. Now let's go ahead and stick this back up. I'll show you where I put it in my craft room. Here is my desk, and I do use this calendar. I do put washi on it and all of the stickers and fun seasonal items. I also put some no school days, and so it's really helpful to see my month at a glance. I'm gonna go ahead and take it down and put the next one up. I just cut the new strip in half and I put it where the strips were on the wall. Now I'm all set for next year, and it's so beautiful right here at my desk.